Hi guys, it's me from Ben 10 Fans TV. So you might have seen my slime video. I don't know whether it's uploaded yet because I only uploaded it like 5 minutes ago. Yeah. So Mia's gonna be making some slime. All right. So pour this in. Pour the mixture in. Okay. I've done it. Gosh, it's smoking. Right, so she said a little bit. Right, so we've got it all in. Wait. So that's the powder. Right, so we need to put some glue in. No, it's not all open. There. Keep putting some. That's enough. You just slipped it back up. Right. Now we need to pour our water in. I'll do this. Oh. No, I need to do this. Right. Can I put the meat in? No, we don't need that yet. So, where's the spoon? Can I mix it though? Okay. So we've added glue, the powder, and some water, half a cup of water. Well, not half a cup, but because my grandma don't want us to. Oh, we need some more water in. Right, try now. Washing up liquid. Oh yeah. Right. So I'm just gonna carry on mixing. Right, so we need to put some washing up liquid in. Once I've put this back in. This is from Wilko's. Right. Because it says Wilko. So we can't show you because it might fall out onto Oscar's tablet and we don't want it to do that. No, because this costs a lot of money. How much did it cost? About £500. Your mum don't have that much money. No, because she gets it free on a monthly contract from me. Oh. But she has to pay loads. I think that we need to mix this in a lot because we use all the powder. This is going to be so nice and colourful. Maybe you could show them your slime again. Yeah. Oscar's just going to show you his slime. Oh, flip. Did you just drop some? No. It's on the edge. So that's my slime. And this is turning out to be like my slime. But I didn't really show you them because I don't want it to stick out. Before I have no more mixture. And Oscar will have to share his from me. Right, I'll put the mousse in. And I mix it. Gee, what the heck? Oh, because I didn't shake it. There we go. Right, mix. I need to get this off. It's sticky. Mine's definitely turning slime. Because mine's sticky. So it doesn't take long with the powder. But it really, really does turn into slime. It's all fluffy and everything if you add the mousse. Borax makes it fluffy, but we use like Jojo's cyber did. Or is it? Maybe if I brought my tablet, Oscar could show you some videos on my Amazon Fire tablet of how to make slime, couldn't you? Yeah. Yeah, but you don't really need to do that because you can just do it at home if you have a tablet or a computer or a smart TV. I thought that grandma. I have a smart TV, so I have Google on it. So I can just search that or do it on YouTube. I search things. I can search Stephen Sharon on my TV in my room. And I can watch it. I watched it in bed this morning. I watched searching an abandoned trampoline park.
Oh, I watched that.
There's two.
I know I watched
Where they see a freaky ghost, and
I watched both.
there's one where they see a man and they think that it's more just two.
What?
More just two.
I don't know who he is. Right, just keep stirring and then it'll be fluffy enough. Right, so you've got a bit more slime than me.
Yeah. Seriously, you only have a tiny bit nearly.
Oh, I need to add some more mousse.
Here's the mousse. I'm just scrubbing mine a bit off. Did you even check it?
Yeah.
Oscar actually uses that for something. I don't know what he uses it for. Your hair?
Yeah.
He uses it for his hair.
Finished.
Nearly. This one's my video. Look how big my slime is. Do you like our slime? Oscar wanted his to be not a colour, but the powder was actually pink, so it has to be pink now. What are you going to do yours like on Wednesdays?
I'm doing a chocolate one.
Do you not even like chocolate?
Of course I like chocolate. Who doesn't? Well,
Samuel doesn't.
Brinley from my school doesn't, and my uncle Andrew doesn't. Her dad.
I thought that you meant that you had another Uncle Andrew, not my dad. I thought
Right,
that
so show them your slime.
this is my bloody slime. You think that it actually isn't pink, but it actually is pink.
I know it doesn't. It looks kind of white on the camera.
It looks white.
I know it's just the camera.
Look at mine. It looks white. Doesn't it? Maybe one day we can make some more slime. If I get another one of them other what was it? Your lip balm sets for Christmas. Because we got to make lip balms, didn't we?
Yeah,
Maybe, and Grandma got me the lip balm set. And maybe, we can make some more. Maybe, Oscar could have a bit of that again, and I could have the full bit again. Then maybe I could tip on.
And maybe I'm going to be making Mira channel. So maybe on her channel she'll be showing you some more science videos. Because this is technically science, because it's from a science set.
It ain't actually from a science set.
Yeah,
It's from my lip balm set.
Yeah, which is science. Because you're making stuff. That's science.
Well, yeah. Do you know what RE is?
Yeah.
We do it at school, but we don't do it anymore that much. I need to wash my hands.
I do it every Thursday. And by the way, science is my favourite subject at school.
No one touched my slime.
Oh, shall we put it together, Mia?
No, let's do that one.
Yeah, because we'll be able to make a big loads of slime.
I just want my slime. Alright? Grandma, do you have a tin where we can put the slime in?
A tin?
Yeah.
Not that jar.
Oh, jar. I'll use this.
What something can I use?
I don't know.
Maybe you could use
I haven't really got anything big.
this. No, Grandma will need that, won't you? I'll put my slime. Oh. Perfect. No, I mean to take them home.
can do it in the back when it's.
I know! How about the green tubs?
No, I use them for food. I don't want slime in.
Alright. I'm putting my
Oh my
slime in.
goodness. Slime's something to keep, isn't it? Once you've made it.
I'll have a tin at home anyway where I can put my slime in. Oscar, do you have a tin at home that you... Oh my goodness, look at that pink bubble. It's so bright and colourful. Don't pop it. I want to show Grandma. Oh, it popped. As soon as I lifted it up. Did you see it?
She's asking if it's going.
No, did you see it, Grandma?
Can't get it up.
You push it off with your finger.
But then it just sticks to my finger.
No, because I swipe it off my finger, then I just put it on the edge of my spoon, then it'll just fall off. Or I'm just bagging it. I haven't even nearly finished putting my slime in. No doubt Granddad will just throw this away. What was that?
Those what?
Those salt and vinegar things. Fine. Right. Nice one.
I haven't finished putting my slime in yet. Because we made a lot of my slime. So,
Wash that.
right now, I'm just putting my slime in.
So, there's my slime.
I haven't finished putting mine in.
This used to be a
Mine's full of the
This used to be marmalade.
Does
But
it
it's
say it on
something
the
to
top?
keep slime, isn't it?
So we're going to be taking our slime home, obviously.
So,
Slime isn't really a toy. It's something that you do with science.
I hope you liked Mia's videos from slime. And my video, hopefully it's uploaded. So if you liked her video, please subscribe and comment down below.
Mine's slime.
If you want us to do more science videos, but I'll have to be with her because I'm good at science.
We might be doing another one today.
We don't know yet. So that was our slime video. If you liked it, please subscribe and comment down below.
Bye, guys.